UltraLift, valve troubleshooting and replacement. This video will focus on testing the valve and replacing it if necessary. Using an 1/8" Allen wrench, remove the 4 top plate screws. Disconnect the RJ45 connector from the top plate assembly. Remove the 4 cap nuts from the base using a 7/16" socket driver. Remove the housing from the base. Remove the valve wire leads from the main control board. Using a 9-volt battery, connect the valve wire leads to the poles of the battery. If the valve does not open, then reverse the wire leads on the poles of the battery. If it still does not open, then you have a bad valve. If it does open, then the control board is bad. Remove cap screws with the 1/8" Allen wrench. Grab the exhaust nipple and valve assembly and remove from the air manifold. With a new valve, reassemble in reverse order. Secure the valve wires. R and B are printed on the board for orientation. Verify all connections are secure by slightly tugging on them. Verify the valve works before reassembling the housing. Plug the top plate into the main control board. Power up the control and verify it operates properly. Verify the valve opens. Reassemble the housing and top plate.